Hi guys, it's Shannon and welcome to my channel, The Daily DIYer. I had so much fun creating all the magic in the first part of this video, and I'm going to get into all of the details and walk you through some of those DIYs that I created. But I wanted to take a second and focus on Globin. Globin is actually a verified member of the Fair Trade Federation, which means that all of the items that they carry are handmade items by artists from all over the world. That helps make this space extra special and unique. So several of the items that you're going to see in this video actually are from their Basque box and their Fresca box, which were the perfect blend to create this sunshine happy yellow lemon themed space. And when I talk about those boxes, I actually mean that they have a subscription service, so you can actually get a hand curated box each month from Globin, and each one has a new theme. They actually have options too, so you can be totally surprised and they'll send you a box and you'll get a surprise each month. Or you can actually go on and go through the different boxes that they have and special order that box for each month. And this part I love so much. You'll actually get a booklet with each box, and it will not only tell you about the artist, but also the stories behind the items in your box. Your subscription to Globin is only $40 a month, or if you sign up annually, it's only $33 a month. And if you are brand new to this subscription service, you can use my coupon code TheDailyDIYer and you'll receive 50% off your very first box if you register for 3 months or more of their services. I will have a custom link down in the description box so you can click on and use my code. I'll also have more information about Globin down there, so you can check that out after this video. And now let's go ahead and jump right into this happy sunshiny lemon makeover.
So first off, I definitely needed to do some deep spring cleaning on this area, which gave me a nice blank slate to start with before I started adding all of the fun accessories. So I'm going to show you some fun behind the scenes of how this all came together, but I also want to show you some DIYs that I created for this space too, and also show you some fun speed decorating. We are definitely going to make this space more happy and joyful and bright and colorful. And I want to do that down in the comment section below too. So drop me a yellow heart. Let's spread a little extra joy and cheer down there as well. So the back of my china cabinet looked a little blank and sparse, so I decided to create a handmade lemon banner for it. I wanted to walk you through the steps of how I created it because it is so simple. Instead of paper, I'm actually using felt. You'll also need some ribbon or some twine and some scissors. For the template, I searched lemon silhouette on Google and printed this one out and scaled it to the size that I thought would be best for my space, and then traced that template onto my felt and cut several of those lemon shapes out of the yellow felt. And I also cut out the leaf shapes and cut those out of green felt. I'm also using hot glue to attach all of my pieces together. I'm taking it and adding it onto the leaves and attaching it to the back side of each one of the lemons. And then to attach them onto the twine, I actually cut out several pieces of scrap yellow felt and I sandwiched them along the backs of the lemons. What that does is it actually keeps your lemons from sliding around on your string, and it also helps them hang and affixes them so they're secure and they don't accidentally fall off. And here's this cute little banner all finished. It was the perfect addition for the back of this cabinet. It was made with all items I already had laying around the house, so that was really nice. A lot of the accessories that are in this china cabinet are actually things I already had that I pulled out of the kitchen and my summer decor, except for these green little glasses. Those are a Globin product, along with the beautiful copper canister, wooden coasters, wooden spoon, and the ceramic lemon juicer. Those are all from Globin too. I added a few simple accessories to my tiered tray, like some lemons and magnolia leaves. My glasses are from Dollar Tree, and I even found some lemon flavored tea for my Keurig. And now that the cabinet is all bright, sunshiny, and cheery, we're gonna move over to the table. The tablecloth is actually a Globin product too. Such a bright, beautiful color. I also handmade these napkin rings from some other supplies I had around the house, including some Dollar Tree beautiful new burlap ribbon that they carry. So I had some teal scrapbook paper and cut those down into strips, and that's what I'm going to use to wrap around my napkins. I just cut those strips of paper down to size and used some tape to tape them around the back side. And then I was going to cut out some lemon shapes and add those to the tops of these, but I decided I really just like the simplicity of this burlap ribbon wrapped around the middle. So again, I'm just cutting it to size and using tape to hold it in place. But let me know down in the comments below, do you think I should have added the lemons to the top, or do you like them more simple and basic and plain like I left mine? It really is simple little basic touches that you can add like this using paper or felt and ribbon that you already have around your house to really customize and make your spaces extra special. Now we're going to add a touch of sunshine with a bouquet of yellow flowers. The vase is actually a Globin product too, but I'm going to be using Dollar Tree vases for my flower centerpiece along with these fresh lemons. So I'm filling up this smaller green vase with water first and then arranging my flowers inside. I love fresh flowers, but I don't like that they don't live very long. I do add the little packets that come in the flowers to my water to kind of help make their life last a little bit longer, but I know there's tricks out there. So if you guys know tricks of how to make your flowers last longer, leave those down in the comments below for me. And now that my flowers are arranged, I'm setting this vase down into a clear cylinder vase from Dollar Tree and filling that with water. You don't want to fill it up all the way though, because we are going to slice up some fresh lemons and add those slices down into the water. I love this look because it gives it that green background from the center vase, but then you have the contrast of the yellow lemons in front. And now on to some fun speed decorating. It definitely does not go this quickly, but it's fun to see it all come together so fast. And I also love that not only are the items on this table a mixture of handmade items that I made, like the napkin rings and the flower centerpiece, but they're also mixed in with other items that were handmade by artists from around the world. So make sure to check out that link that I'll have down in the description box to Globin and that 50% off your first box offer using my code TheDailyDIYer. I hope that this video inspired you to add a little bit of sunshine yellow to your home's decor this spring and summer. Please also hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't yet for weekly DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration. And I'll also have some more lemon and spring ideas popping up on your screen that you can check out next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting!